welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to be here, and I'm going to teach us how to the easiest way how to fix a bead on a vein net. Some people call it a mesh material, while some people call it soft material. It's still the same thing. This is a vein net here. Quickly, I would like us to know the requirements on how to fix a bead on a vein net. You need your material, you need your rivet machine, you need the bead you are going to use, and the pin that you are going to use. And you need to mark it. If you want to start the material, maybe it's a plain like this one, is a plain material, you mark it so that you will know where to put the bead on. Some people will tell you, I want you to scatter. If it is a scatter one, you may not need to mark, you just scatter it on the fabric that is on the venet material. Why some people say arrange it like this? When customer come say arrange it, you follow the instruction and help the person to arrange it, and it's in the market. You can easily get it in the market, and it's a lucrative business. People are wearing they are tying V-necks now to do their hair girl, so you can tie your own and move to the party. It doesn't disturb you. So just follow me and see how I'm going to do it. I'm going to mark my own. You still need your steel ruler and pencil to mark it. So I'm going to mark this and mark this and mark this. So I have three. I've marked three spots to do. So this is my bead. Don't forget our dice. Without these dice, we can't do it. So I'm going to put my dice here. You can see it has open. I've already screwed this up dice there. So you take your bead and fix it here. Then the pin, it has front and back. That is, the one side is big and the other one has like two pin. There, just drop it inside it. Can you see? So just put it inside this small hole, and I'll put my vein there where I've already marked. You can see where I've marked with this what's it called? Chalk. Just a gentle touch. Can you see? So easy. So easy. You don't need to stress yourself before doing it. It doesn't waste time, and you can easily make your money fast. I'm going to do the next one. Just follow me. This is the next one. Just press a gentle press. It's there already. It's just like a magic, but it's not a magic. I just want to tell you, if today is your first time of checking my channel, please subscribe, share it, make a comment, and if you press the notification bell, anytime we have our next video, you can easily get it. And if you have a comment, if you are not too clear, you want me to explain more, you can call me or chat me on WhatsApp. You see my number on the screen. Please call me. And we also train on this beat making or beat fixing. Please call me. I'm ready to you.